curly. Like, you see that? Nice.
Love you like a brother, treat you like a friend, respect you like a lover. Ooh,
Hey y'all, this is your girl Andrea Nicole, and I am back with another video, but this time I'm doing more of a vlog style. As you can see, because I kind of just got this new little vlogging thing, and it's kind of cool. Like, I've never thought about using this as a vlogger or to be a vlogger, but it seems like it's working. I don't know. I still have my ring light set up right here, but I don't really have a mirror. Let me see if I can find a mirror. Y'all gotta excuse my room. Like, my beauty room is like very junky. So, like, can y'all see that stick? Ooh, it's so junky in here. I'm sorry, y'all. Is a SHEIN try on haul. I just got back from Texas. I guess not just got back. It was probably about 4 or 5 days ago. And I was planning on filming this video before I went, but time just really slipped away. So I didn't get a chance to film this video. But I did place another big order, like a huge order. I ordered like 25 things or whatever, and it should be here within the next week. So please expect another video coming to y'all, because I know y'all love these SHEIN videos. I love SHEIN. Like, SHEIN is probably going to be my new go-to, like, for real. Like, all jokes aside, I'm just going to leave Fashion Nova alone unless they have like a huge, I'm talking about like 60-70% off sale. Then I might F with them. But other than that, I love SHEIN. They have not disappointed me thus far. And yeah, like right now I have on their necklace. I also have on this ring from SHEIN. Like, everybody thinks this is real, but I'm like, no, it costs $3. Like, and then even like this little outfit that I have on, I'm just chilling around the house or whatever, but I love this outfit. I got this from SHEIN too. Of course, you know, I always hook y'all up with all the links down in the description box. And while we're on this subject, if you are new to my channel, you better go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, then welcome back. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. And I'm just trying to get my subscribers up. Like, I'm really like, and granted, I know it falls on me with being consistent. I'm trying. It's very difficult. But I'm trying my best to be consistent with my postings. And yeah, like, y'all excuse this wig, it looks a hot mess. This is from HAIRSPELLS. It is their HD lace front wig. It's not HD, y'all. It's not HD at all. But the wig, like, this is a body wave, and I must say, like, I absolutely love the texture of this wig. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, it's really nice. All I did was shampooed it, and I deep conditioned it, and I just let it air dry, and I brushed it out to kind of give me like more of a natural kind of look, like just kind of like not put together type, you know, thing, but like wavy at the same time. And it's beautiful. Like, I will say, like, the lace on this thing is boo-boo, but the hair quality is really nice. Like, it's really nice. And granted, I did over bleach my knots, but it shouldn't be like looking like this though. It's supposed to be HD. I shouldn't even have to like do all that I did, but yeah, it looks a hot mess. Okay, so we just gonna ignore this. I'm just wearing this wig until I go back out of town, because I'm flying back out to Texas in like a week. So I just threw this on to give my wig a break. I'm kind of getting back to that closure style. I'm just like all over the place. I'm sorry, y'all. I know y'all came here for the tutorial, and I'm finna deliver. I mean, this is the life. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, my mind is always going and going and going and going, and then it's like my words just get scrambled. Like, not tutorial. I'm not doing a tutorial. I am doing a try on haul. So y'all, this looks a hot ass mess, okay? But watch tomorrow, like people gonna be like, oh yeah, that looks good. Like for real, I really finessed it. Like it looked a lot worse than this, but I really finessed it. Like for real, like the lace was so soft and like it like I over bleached my knots like really bad. But get this, what I'm planning on doing to this wig to kind of camouflage it is I'm actually going to bleach the wig. Like I'm going to do some highlights. I don't know if y'all seen Arrogant Tay's new look on Jada, but let me tell y'all, them highlights, like it had me like, ooh, like I love highlights. Highlights are so easy to do, so I'm really thinking about it. I just love the texture of this wig, and I don't want to like ruin the texture. And matter of fact, I feel, no, this is a body wig. This is body wig. I feel like I ordered a straight wig though, but like a bone straight. I don't know what I ordered, to be honest. But I do not like I said, HAIRSPELLS, really good quality hair. But the lace, I don't know about it, but I only paid like $120 something for this, and it was a 22-inch. But I did cut the bottoms because I like my bottoms even. I don't like the different lengths type thing. I really like it to be all one length at the bottom, like layered throughout the top of it, which I didn't layer it, but I'm just saying I do like layers at the top, and then like all of it like the same length. But there I go, dragging again. Let's get on with this try on video. So I'm actually going to, let's see, how am I going to do this? Because my room is a hot mess. Y'all don't even understand. So this is the first outfit that I got. This is a two-piece. It says nothing with the flowers, and then the shorts like that. Y'all, this is so comfortable. Like I believe I ordered this in a medium, and I just have on like my little fake UGG slippers. And yeah, like this is what I've been wearing today to do like my errands and like just chill around the house and stuff. It's really cute. Like I really like it. It's cute. Okay, y'all, so this outfit is like one of the prime reasons why you should always read reviews and look at pictures and like try to base how you order things based on that on SHEIN. Some things you guys take a risk on if like there's no reviews or no pictures, but when there are reviews and pictures, you always want to check, because for this outfit I actually had to downsize. So this is a medium. This is the back, and honestly I probably wouldn't even wear this out just because the type of person I am. No, I probably wouldn't wear this out. This is something that I would just wear around the house with my boyfriend, you know, when I'm trying to be cute and stuff. And yeah, you know, might cook it up, you know, chef it up in the kitchen, you know, stuff like that. But it's really cute. I actually have on, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the underwear I have are colored, and the fact that you can't see them is pretty nice. But yeah, this is that outfit. It's cute, you know, it's very trendy. It's on Instagram everywhere, so I thought I'd pick it up just to see how it looks. All right, and then this next outfit that I have is actually this dress. It's really cute. I wore it in Texas whenever me and my boyfriend went to Top Golf. It's very simple, but on the shirt it says bad vibes don't go with my outfit. You know, because we not with the bad vibes over here. We not with them bad vibes. I got this little fake designer bag to wear with it. It's so cute. It's cute and dainty. Comes with like these little chains. It's so cute. Like I love it. It's very cute. The one thing I will say is I'm 5'7", like 5'7", 5'8", like really 5'7.5", but you know, in between those. And I will say, like, the dress is not short, But after doing like activities as far as like Top Golf goes, I did have to keep like pulling it down, but no big deal, you know. That's just what comes with being tall. They make like all these outfits for like shorter girls, so you know, I just have to do what I have to do. But I do love this outfit. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, that'll be a cute picture. Alright, so this next outfit that I got from SHEIN is actually just these little jean shorts, you know, little booty shorts and stuff. And then I got this little tee that says social distancing. If you can read this, then you're too close. Period. Okay. And I just tied it in this little knot just to kind of like add a little sexiness or like just something to the outfit. And honestly, my boyfriend said he really liked this outfit, so I don't know, it's simple, plain, but I guess, yeah, it shows off my curves. Yeah, that's definitely probably what it is. But I paired it with this little iridescent bag. It's so cute or whatever. And then the shoes that I actually no, I didn't pair it with this. I paired it with this bag. I paired it with this little cute bag. And then the shoes that I wore with them are also from SHEIN. They are these like snakeskin tie-up shoes. I'm going to just put one on for y'all just so y'all can see how they look. I hope y'all can see. Excuse the junkiness, but these are them, the shoes. I love them. They're so cute, and I paired it with this bag. Just kind of offset the colors a little bit. But yeah, so this is the whole outfit. Very cute. Yeah, like I said, my boyfriend loved this outfit. I don't know if I paired it, I don't remember which bag I paired it with, to be honest, but I feel like I paired it with this. Yeah, I think I did pair it with this. I feel like I did with these shoes, just to kind of offset it a little bit. But yeah, y'all, cute. Tell me this ain't cute. Tell me this outfit, like, it's simple, but when I say the accessories, like your shoes and your purse, can set it off. It can set it off, okay? So next outfit, and now the next outfit that I wore is this two-piecer. Everybody loves this outfit. Like, lavender is becoming my new color. Like, this purple is starting to fit me, like, for real. Like, everybody was going crazy over this outfit, especially when I did a little boomerang and I was in the bathroom. Y'all, if you don't follow my Instagram, make sure you follow my Instagram. Everything will be down in the description box for y'all, because y'all, I be popping, okay? Like, when I come out, I be popping, okay? And then I paired it with this bag, of course. I mean, you've seen this coming, right? Paired it with this, and then the shoes that I got, which I'm kind of pissed because, y'all, my boyfriend took me to a park and we went bike riding. Like, very cute, very fun. Like, I loved the idea, like, it was so good, but the only thing is, like, we was in Texas. I had a full face of makeup on and I had sandals on. Like, it just, like, it was not a good mixture for me. Like, I love the idea. Like, it would have been perfect if I didn't have all my makeup on and I had sandals on, but other than, like, oh my god, it was like, for real, it was perfect. It was perfect. Like, I loved it, but at the same time I hated it. But I lost 2 freaking rhinestones. You see the blue? The blue is gone. Like, and I know that was from bike riding, but these shoes are so cute. Like, what? Like, what? Let's see, how am I gonna do this? Let's see if y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can see. Y'all see that? So cute. So freaking cute. Like, Y'all, I was out in Dallas popping, okay? I was popping, okay? I was popping. But yeah, those are all the outfits that I got. I did get a hat, but the hat is upstairs. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to show y'all in this video. But like I said, I do have another haul that's coming. And I'm gonna show y'all what I pack for Texas. Because girl, we finna be popping. But yeah, so look out for that video. And I probably will bring that hat because I actually use that hat to work out in. So yeah, y'all, thank you for watching this video. I hope y'all really enjoyed it, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't also feel free to tell me down in the description box. I mean, tell me in the comment section which outfit is your favorite. And yeah, I think this one is probably like my favorite outfit. This one for sure, because it's so cute, like it is fun. It's girly, like you see that? Nice. All right, y'all. Peace, love, and respect. Bye.